A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica versus game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About do Mr. Kapalat, you don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Move! Today, guys, we're here with Engee, yeah, man. Engee the Don. With Crocodile Masicka. So, the one I send them a DM and say if you react to it. So, big up yourself, my fam. You know yourself. Big up yourself. So, I could jump in the one and see what I go on, man. Engee. First time hearing a song from Engee. So, let's go. Yeah. Engee! Yeah. Crocodile Masicka. Also, guys, a link I got left in the description. Please subscribe to my second reaction channel, alright? Let's go!
Yeah. Just a tell you what me see in the streets.
My talk when I'm in the streets, alright?
No harm, no inna. Me just a talk the realness.
So if I make it clear, say in no war. In no beef with nobody, in just a talk when I'm in the street and with the street I say, alright?
Me just a talk the realness. Masicka. When conscience link I do near your mother, you make Devin beat up Sheen skull bad. That no look good as a god. Oh, you walk round and now do king job behind bars. Cartel defend popcorn.
We make a talk about the thumbnail a little bit. So, what go on here, so? Two crocodile we see hang up. How would them crocodile here? One a Masicka, I want a Sheen skull or what? It's swamp look, it's swamp look swampy. I want one nice swamp. Eh? Masicka, a message for you still, my G. It looks like a message.
In the streets. No harm, no inna. Me just a talk the realness.
No harm, no inna. Alright, ready?
Masicka. When conscience link I do near your mother, you make Devin beat up Sheen skull bad.
When conscience link I do on your mad. Remember say Masicka and I do never good enough. Remember say Masicka used to always par in a subconscious, you know, with Dario them and conscience them, you know. So he must say, yo, remember when time the Dan link the enemy, you did mad, yeah, you never happy. Also, you make Devin beat up Sheen skull bad. Yeah.
When conscience link I do near your mother, you
make Devin beat up Sheen skull bad.
That no look good as a god. Oh, you walk round and now do king job.
That no look good as a god. Them say that no look good for true. That no look good. And him say furthermore, oh, you want king crown, and you not do king job. You have to out there on the battlefield. You have to prove yourself in. To be a king, you have to beat the contenders, right? So him tell us say, yo, how you want king job, and you not do king work.
That no look good as a god.
Oh, you want and you not do king job.
Behind bars, cartel defend popcorn. You the road and now defend your done.
I must say behind bars, cartel defend Papi. Remember when cartel and remember when Papi and Vada go at it, cartel have to get involved. So you must say you are behind bars, the G stay and defend Papi, bro.
Bars, cartel defend popcorn. You the road and now defend your done. Your words them now match up with your action, them style. I know one other than our clangs, man.
Man say yo, your words now match up with your action, bro. What you are saying and you sang them. I know that we are seeing an action because right now you feel well in a one war already with the opponents. You should have well in a one war already. That's how the GS said, not me.
The fans them want see the scope and stand. Them want see bullet. We a truck through man. Clip them want see the section them style. I know one other than our clangs, man. The fans them want see the scope and stand. Them want see bullet. We a truck through man. Clip long like the speed from the pastor, man.
Man said the fans them want to see the scope. You see the scope where you singing at the song? The feds them want the fans them want to see that and them want to see bullet a truck through man. What you deal with?
See bullet, we a truck through man. Clip long like the speed from the pastor, man. And load like Bible verse in a pastor hand. Fans where hear how the rifle sing song harmony with kick drum when the clip them slam. Quarry beat Devin with leather band now Devin. Murder
Once a Corey beat up Devin with the leather band, no Devin. No Devin beat up Shane in a crocodile pants.
No Devin, murder Shane in alligator pond.
Masicka. Bumbo Yo, this bad. This fucking bad. This bad. Bad. Yeah, it bad. It's not that this song. It does not speak the facts. It does not talk. But make it clear, it does not talk. Alright. Alright.
When conscience link I don't your mother, you make Devin beat up Sheen skull bad. That don't look good as a god. Oh, you walk round and now do king job behind bars. Cartel defend popcorn. You're the road and now defend your done. Your words them now match up with your action, them style. I know one other nor clangs man. The fans them want see the scope and stand. Them want see bullet. We a truck through man. Clip long like the speed from the pastor man. And load like Bible verse in a pastor hand. Fans where hear how the rifle sing song harmony with kick drum when they clip them slam. Corey beat Devin with leather band. No Devin murder Shell in alligator pond.
This bad in a dog.
The streets them attack and a call. Masicka. Why is it in a one you lose your fame? The fans them a ball, them a ball, them a ball. Poor little Shane skull can't stand the flame. Masicka.
The man say, yo, the fans, they don't want you lose your fame, you know. So the fans them a ball, the fans them a plead to you if you say something to defend your camp. You see me? Shane skull can't angle the flame, I must say. The flame too hot. The kitchen no busy for flames for Shane skull. It means to jump out of the kitchen and you jump in a fire. You see, God, the place hot.
Poor little Shane skull can't stand the flame. Masicka. Masicka. Southside badness. Run the gear, man. Masicka. Poor little Shane skull looking full of beer hole. Somebody call Masicka. Masicka.
Man say poor little Shane skull him full of beer hole. Somebody call Masicka.
Poor little Shane skull looking full of beer hole. Somebody call Masicka. 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 Missy Devin a murder boat. Crocodile in a Nautica. Somebody call Masicka. Masicka. Career get parked like Jurassic.
Career get parked like Jurassic Park. You know a classic show there with the dinosaur them. Career get parked Jurassic Bumbo Club.
Career get parked like Jurassic. Masicka, me have to wonder if you're going through depression. Can me see Devin fracture Shane skull with a left hand. Whole crouch.
Masicka, I have to wonder if you go through depression. Can me see Devin fracture Shane skull with a left hand. I know the right him getting or the left him get. So if him get the left and the left a knock so. One to the right.
If you're going through depression, can me see Devin fracture Shane skull with a left hand. Whole crowd jack, him get beat with angle of a weapon. And still, the rifle them no rise where you depend. The fans still member, Khalid war. But you run from Devin like you see radio car.
The fans them still remember Khalid war. That was the last war Masicka involved in before it was Shandizi.
Bro, me can't believe Khalid war. But you run from Devin like you see radio car. Bro, me can't believe you let down call a bar. This a cartoon crocodile, Madagascar. Me wonder if Javon put fear on.
Masa this a cartoon character. This a cartoon character, Madagascar.
Cartoon crocodile, Madagascar. Me wonder if Javon put fear on. Cause a Devin alone. Half a your peer candy.
I wonder if Javon put fear on Javon Ferran. That is Masicka name. I wonder if Javon put fear on. Cause as Shane's called alone him see a roll out.
Put fear on, cause a Devin alone. Half of your peer can the crooks them a ball. Like here gone, this on a south side badness like rear gone. The fans them a ball. Masicka. The streets them a talk and a call. Masicka. All city now want you lose your fame. The fans them a ball, them a ball. Poor little Shane skull can't stand the flame. Masicka, oh, when conscience link I don't ya your mother, you make living beat up Shane skull bad. That no look good. As a god your facade, how you want crown and now do king job behind bars. Cartel defend popcorn while you the road can't defend. when you want on your words, them now match up with your action and them the style they. And no one other than our clangs, man. The fans, them want see the scope and stand. Them want see bullet where you drop through, man. Clip long like the speed from the pastor, man. And load like Bible verse in a pastor. And the fans wire how the rifle sing song. Harmony with kick drum when they clip them slam. Corey beat Devin with leather band, no Devin. Murder shedding all the get up. And the fans, them
Masicka.
the streets them attack and a call. Masicka. One city no one you lose a fame. The fans them a ball, them a ball, them a ball. Poor little cushion and skull can't stand the flame. Masicka. Masicka.
Clot. Engee, at first my hear one of your song, then this bad, bro. This bad. Whoa, what can I say? Man does a talk when him say, bro. Like he's literally talking what he saw. That's what he said, right? Him a talk, this is not a diss song. Him just a ask, wagwan, when Masicka dead or we can't see him. Also, what I get from this song, him basically I say, yo, listen to me. No matter how much more bad man song you sing, Masicka, the fans them not gonna take you serious because when time war knock on your door, you not answer. When time war knock a kick down your door, bust through your window, you not answer, bro. And you want be king and have and not do king job, bro. Like the man, yo. Sooner or later, Masicka have to go answer somebody, bro. Sooner or later, the genocide boss can't sit down and take no boof back from the body, bro. Masicka a bad bumbuckler artist. Masicka a great artist. So Masicka can't sit down and take no boof back from the body, bro. You mad? The fans them need, bro. Bro. If it's a true genocide fans, or if you rate Masicka differently, you don't know what true me attack. Masicka can't sit down and make them boy step up and them brand so much, brother. Too much step in the go on and Masicka now look out I window if you see what there. Masicka, you need to do something. It's just so long you can't do the silent treatment for, bro. We know you're a bad artist. We know you're busy probably I work by your album, but we need some side of something. We need something. You can't go silent for all this time, bro. And then next 3, 4, 5 months down the line, you go say something. It's not relevant then, because nobody not go look. You see me? Sicka? I know you're on top of your game right now. You can't put a foot wrong. Song-wise, every song you drop a hit. But I tell you, bro, the people them want. The fans them want. Remember, the fans them put away there. So the fans them want something. The fans them want hear something from Masicka, bro. Defend the camp. Shane Skull and Wirebrain run out. And Young Skull, we need to hear something from Masicka. Alright? That's just my opinion on it, though. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section, though. The song bad. Engee, pick up yourself. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, Rust gave brother review your face, the dog. If face, you fuck.